This is Windy City MDX, and I'm going to be going over how to uninstall the KTunerFlash V1 from my 2012 Acura MDX Advance. Turn the ignition to the on position. You'll see this connected. Turn to live or logging in a second. I'm going to go to retry to try to reconnect. Alright, there we go. We're logging. To revert back to the factory tune, first start by clicking tuning, then return to factory. Are you sure you want to return this ECU to the factory? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, unfortunately. Alright, so from here, you'll get a whole bunch of errors pop up. So meanwhile, the car has been reflashing. As you can see on my computer screen, please key the vehicle off for a few seconds, turn the key back on, and wait a few seconds before hitting OK. Now I'm going to key the vehicle off for a few seconds. Just to be safe, I'm just going to turn it off for maybe like a few minutes, turning off the vehicle. Now that it's been a couple minutes, try to turn the key back on, and I do want to mention that I have a telescoping steering wheel that automatically retracts every time I remove the key. Now after I reflash or remove the flash, the telescoping steering wheel never returns back to the retracted position. So don't be alarmed, it does happen, it will resolve itself. Alright, now I'm going to click OK. So if you're going to be selling your KTunerFlash V1 or you're selling your car, it needs to be unlocked. So I'm not going to follow through with that, but basically click on this unlock unit from ECU, and that will proceed to uncouple the KTuner unit from your vehicle. That's it for this video. Let me know if this helped you out in any way. Leave a like and comment, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification button, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at WindyCity_MDX.